today with You Made That. I'm going to show you my diamond painting kits. I got 2 of them from Paint Gem because I finished the one that my friend Glenna gave me for Christmas. Yay! So can you see the sparkle? Now these are round diamonds, and they are also called drills. So these are round, but Paint Gem, they're going to be square. So that'll be new. So I wanted to unbox one of these with you guys. So I got the National Parks edition. They have lots of different kinds, and I really researched what kind to get, and these got good reviews. So I thought I would get them. And I'm going to open one of them. PaintGem.com is where you can shop. And so this one has more. This has 12 and this has 10 because they're a little larger. So some of these, like, you can do in an hour is what I see people saying. So I'm like, I'm going to open this one because I want the smaller ones, and this is all of the ones that you get. Yay, I'm excited. New project. I had never done diamond painting until Glenna got me that kit. And as I worked on it, I thought, is this something I want to... You know what? This just comes right off. Duh. I thought, is this something I want to keep doing? And the closer I got to finishing that one, I realized I was putting off finishing it because I didn't want it to be done. So that was my proof that, yes, I want to keep doing it. Look how nice this is. Relax through creativity. Look at it, it comes in a little bag. Okay, so they give you everything you need. So here's the little wax for your picker-upper and the tray. Now I do my drills one at a time, but if you wanted to do them, 3 at a time or more, that's what those are. Little tweezers, and here's the, I don't know what it's called, picker-upper tool. So to load this, look how cute that is. You just, does it have, yeah, it has protective stuff. You just go like this, and it's in there. And then you can pick up the drills. Yay, that's cute. Look how cute that is. Huh. Let's look at the fun stuff. Look at all these colors. Sorry for the noise. They're all labeled, and I heard that Paint Gem does puts really good quality of drills in. They look good. Gem's colors chart. Oh, they're stickers. Nice. And then here's all the kits. Tips and tricks. So these are the multi-placers, sticker labels, avoid dry out, use the protective covering. I like that this says framing. Frame your result without glass cover for extra sparkliness. And that's what I liked about this size, is it's easy to display and you don't have to frame them or anything. So that was one reason why I really wanted to get one of these. So here we go. Look how cute. Oh yeah, totally doable as you just sit and relax one night. Nice. I can think, what am I in the mood to do? These are the national parks. Okay. What size are these? I don't have a ruler with me, but, and I can look and go, oh yeah, I've been there, and so that's fun. Oh, they're numbered 1, 2, 3. I thought that I would zoom in and show you guys as I do one, because why not? It's fun. So here is the Rocky Mountain one, and I chose that one to do first. And I'm going to start at the top. I saw a tip that said if you start at the top, then you can just peel this plastic back, because this is sticky. This is not sticky, but this is sticky, and as you peel back, you won't like get your working hand in the sticky part. So starting at the top and working down, you can just keep rolling this back. So I'm just going to peel it back, and look, it just kind of stays there. So here's a red arrow. I'm going to zoom in a little more. There we go. Oh, nice. Okay, here's a red arrow, and over here it says 608. So I kind of looked through here, and here's 608. It doesn't have the arrow there, but we can peel the 608 off because it says peel and label the gems baggies. Oh, sorry. Peel and label the gems baggies. So I'm going to take the 608 and I'm going to put it here. I could put these in a different container, but I don't think I'm going to. I think I'm going to leave them in the baggies. Then you pour them in your tray and you shake them. Oops, you shake them, and they will land in those individual little sections, hopefully the right way with the flat way on the bottom. And again, I've only done this is just twice, so I'm sure you guys have other tips. Please put them in the comments if you're like, hey Tina, you're doing this wrong. I will take any tip, but this is how I've done the first one. So you take your little whatever picker-upper tool, that's what I'm going to call it. I already got it loaded with the wax, and pick one up, put it down. Yay! I've never done the squares before. I've heard two things. One, that they're easier than the circles, and one that they're harder than the circles. So I will find out. And then anything that has the arrow gets one of these drills. And some people would say, oh, I can't do one at a time, I gotta do 3 at a time. Well, you just load this up, gotta pull this out, and then put that in, put this stuff in it, and do 3 at a time, or whatever. But I like doing this, 1 at a time. Was the other one relaxing? Yes, it was. Did I get hooked? Yes, I did. And again, ooh, there's 2 at a time. I'm just going to put them both down. I like the idea that I can just put these in a little frame and they can be decor, or you can put them in a little photo album and just flip the pages when you're done and you want to look at your little album of drills. This one's a little crooked. Look at that. I mean, I did those in like no time at all. And they sparkle. We do have my son and his wife are coming this weekend, and so I want to have them try it out. And it's like, you guys, which one do you want to do? And again, I have everything you need in the kit. Let me zoom out. So far, so good. I highly recommend the Paint Gem kits. They are super fun already. I can't wait to work on it more and finish this. So I do appreciate you watching. Please like and subscribe. I got some good stuff coming up, and I'll see you later. Bye.